Welcome back to Flower Tie, where we inspire creativity and help artists spread their messages. Today, we're diving into the art of scriptwriting. Whether you're working on a short film, a YouTube video, or a presentation, a good script is key to engaging your audience. Let's get started! Step 1. Understand your purpose. What message do you want to convey? Who is your audience? Knowing this will help you stay focused and ensure your script is impactful. Step 2. Outline your structure. A well-organized script has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with an engaging introduction, followed by the main content, and wrap it up with a strong conclusion. Step 3. Write a captivating introduction. Your introduction should grab attention right away. Use a hook. This could be a surprising fact, a question, or a compelling story. Make sure to introduce the topic and explain why it's important. Step 4. Develop your main content. Break it into sections or points, and ensure each part flows logically to the next. Use clear and concise language. Remember, your goal is to keep the audience engaged and make your points clear. Step 5. Write a strong conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize the key points and leave a lasting impression. This is your chance to reinforce your message and encourage your audience to take action or reflect on what they've learned. Step 6. Edit and revise. Writing is rewriting. Don't be afraid to make changes. Read your script out loud, check for clarity, and ensure it flows smoothly. Ask for feedback and be open to suggestions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to writing a good script that captivates and communicates effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration from Flower Tie. Happy writing!